My fiancé, an avid baker with a knack for creating delectable treats, recently made a batch of gluten-free keto donuts. These donuts were nothing short of amazing, and their tastiness, combined with healthy ingredients, sparked an idea in my mind. What if we could turn her hobby into a profitable business? In today's fast-paced world, food businesses have evolved significantly. Entrepreneurs no longer need a traditional brick-and-mortar restaurant to make money from food. Personal kitchens and ghost kitchens have emerged as viable options for launching a food business with lower overhead costs. This guide will explore how to make money by cooking from a personal kitchen or ghost kitchen and selling food through various markets and food delivery services. First, let's understand what personal kitchens and ghost kitchens are. A personal kitchen is a home-based kitchen where an individual prepares food. It's ideal for small-scale operations, offering flexibility and minimal initial investment. It's perfect for those just starting out in the food industry, testing new recipes, or targeting a niche market. On the other hand, ghost kitchens, also known as cloud kitchens or virtual kitchens, are commercial kitchen spaces designed specifically for delivery-only food businesses. They don't have a dine-in facility and focus solely on fulfilling online orders. Ghost kitchens offer scalability and efficiency, making them a popular choice for entrepreneurs looking to tap into the growing food delivery market. Now let's talk about setting up your food business. Before you start, it's crucial to understand the legal requirements and obtain the necessary permits. Depending on what state you live in, these may include a food business license, a home kitchen permit if you're operating from a personal kitchen, and regular health and safety inspections to ensure compliance with regulations. Insurance, particularly liability insurance, is also essential to protect against potential risks. A well-thought-out business plan is key to success. Your plan should include a defined business model, whether you're operating from a personal kitchen or a ghost kitchen. Identify your target market, develop a menu that appeals to them, set competitive yet profitable prices, and outline marketing strategies to attract customers. Don't forget to include financial projections to estimate your costs, revenues, and profitability. Choosing the right kitchen space is crucial. If you're using a personal kitchen, ensure it meets health and safety standards and invest in the necessary equipment and tools for your menu. If you opt for a ghost kitchen, rent space in a commercial kitchen equipped with professional-grade appliances and tools. Your menu is the heart of your food business, so crafting a unique menu is essential. Consider offering specialty dishes that set you apart from competitors, catering to various dietary preferences like vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, and keto options. Incorporate seasonal ingredients to ensure freshness and variety. When sourcing ingredients, quality is key. Local farmers' markets are great for fresh seasonal produce. Wholesale suppliers can help you reduce costs by purchasing in bulk, while specialty stores and online suppliers are useful for finding unique or hard-to-find ingredients. Recipe and menu management tools like Meistercook or Paprika Recipe Manager can help you organize your recipes and create grocery lists. Efficient kitchen workflow is vital for production and quality control. Streamline your operations by prepping ingredients in advance, cooking in large quantities to meet demand, and managing inventory to avoid shortages or overstocking. Maintaining high standards is crucial, so develop standardized recipes to ensure consistency in taste and presentation. Follow strict hygiene practices to prevent contamination, and regularly gather customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Creating a strong brand identity is important for marketing and branding. Choose a memorable brand name and design a professional logo. Invest in attractive and eco-friendly packaging that reflects your brand, and share your story to connect with customers. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is essential. Create a user-friendly website showcasing your menu, story, and ordering options. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to promote your business, share updates, and engage with customers. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on platforms like Yelp and Google. Collaborations and partnerships can expand your reach. Partner with local businesses like cafes, grocery stores, or event planners to offer your products. Work with food delivery platforms like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Grubhub to reach a broader audience. Tools like Canva, Hootsuite, and MailChimp can help you manage your marketing and social media efforts. Let's talk about sales channels. Direct sales can be highly profitable. Consider setting up a stall at local farmers markets, operating a food stand at local events, festivals, and fairs, or hosting pop-up events in collaboration with other businesses or community spaces. Online sales are essential for scaling your business. Offer direct ordering through your website with options for pickup or delivery. Sell your food through platforms like Etsy for baked goods or Amazon for packaged foods. And consider offering subscription boxes for regular deliveries of your products. Partnering with food delivery platforms can significantly increase your reach. Register your business on popular food delivery apps like Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, and Postmates. Optimize your menu for delivery, ensuring items travel well and maintain quality. And utilize platform-specific promotions and discounts to attract new customers. Offering your own delivery service gives you more control. Hire reliable delivery drivers or partner with local courier services. Define specific delivery zones to manage logistics effectively, and implement an efficient order management system to streamline the process. As your business grows, consider scaling up by expanding your menu with seasonal specials, customer favorites, and new cuisines. You can also open additional ghost kitchens in different locations to reach a wider audience, develop a franchise model, or share kitchen space with other food entrepreneurs to reduce costs and collaborate. Effective financial management is crucial for profitability. Track expenses, control costs without compromising quality, and regularly review and adjust your pricing strategy based on costs, competition, and demand. Consider various funding options to support your business growth, including self-funding, small business loans or grants, and attracting investors. Finally, let's talk about potential earnings. Estimating earnings from a personal kitchen or ghost kitchen can be exciting. For instance, selling gluten-free donuts from a personal kitchen might cost around $2 per donut, with a selling price of $5, yielding a $3 profit per donut. Selling 50 donuts a day could result in a monthly profit of $4,500. Scaling up operations in a ghost kitchen could increase production capacity, potentially leading to a monthly profit of $15,000. Additional income streams like subscription services, wholesale accounts, and catering for special events can further boost your earnings. By carefully managing costs, optimizing pricing, and leveraging multiple sales channels, you can turn your culinary hobby into a profitable business. The potential earnings can be significant, and with strategic planning and dedication, your food business can achieve impressive financial success.